Welcome back to NextGen Hustle Secrets. In today's class, I'm showing you how to make money online without lifting a finger. Literally. Let's talk about Honeygain. What is Honeygain? Honeygain is a passive income app that pays you for sharing your internet connection. Here's how it works. You install the app on your phone, PC, or tablet, and while you go about your day, Honeygain uses a portion of your unused internet bandwidth for secure research and data collection. In return, you earn credits that can be cashed out through PayPal or Bitcoin once you reach the minimum payout. Businesses use this bandwidth for things like web research, price comparisons, SEO testing, brand protection. What makes it amazing is that you don't need skills, surveys, or active work. Just keep the app running and watch your balance grow. And if you install it on multiple devices connected to the same Wi-Fi, your earnings multiply. Don't worry, it's 100% safe. Your personal data is not touched. Only your internet connection is shared. How to get started. 1. Download the Honeygain app, available on Android, Windows, macOS, Linux. 2. Create an account, email plus password. 3. Run the app in the background. 4. Start earning credits for every KB of data you share. 1,000 Honeygain credits. $1. Minimum payout. $20 via PayPal or $20 in Bitcoin. How beginners can earn. No skills required. Simply install Honeygain, let it run, and watch your balance grow. Enable the content delivery feature, if available in your region, for extra daily earnings. Claim the daily Lucky Pot bonus inside the app, up to 10. Install on multiple devices, up to 10 per account, to boost income. Beginners can realistically earn $20, $40 per month just by leaving the app running. How pros can earn more referral program. Invite friends and you'll earn 10% of their lifetime earnings without reducing their income. For example, if your friend earns $50, you get $5 free. Multiple networks. If you have Wi-Fi plus mobile data, run Honeygain on both. Device strategy. Use it on laptops, desktops, tablets, and old smartphones, as long as they're connected to the internet. Combine with other passive apps. Pros often stack Honeygain with apps like Peer-to-Profit, Packet Stream, or IP Royal Pawns to multiply income. Pros of Honeygain: 100% passive. No tasks, surveys, or work. Works worldwide. Referral system: Thakar's lifetime earnings. Pays in PayPal or Bitcoin. $5 free bonus when signing up with a referral link. Cons of Honeygain: earnings are not huge. Don't expect to get rich. Think $20, $60 monthly. Needs stable internet plus power. If device goes off, you stop earning. Some ISPs may not allow bandwidth sharing. Check your local rules. Tips to maximize earnings. Keep Honeygain running 24/7. Use more than one device, up to 10. Connect devices to different networks if possible. Always claim the daily Lucky Pot. Share your referral link widely. Social media, YouTube description, blogs, friends. Tips. To earn faster, enable Honeygain on more than one device, use their content delivery feature, and don't forget to grab the daily Lucky Pot bonus inside the app. Plus, if you refer friends, you earn a percentage of their earnings for life. So Honeygain is perfect for anyone who wants to earn money passively. You won't get rich, but it's an easy way to cover small bills like your Netflix subscription, internet data, or even buy groceries. Beginners can just install and earn. Pros can use referrals and device stacking to scale higher. So in all, if you want to earn extra money passively, Honeygain is one of the easiest ways to get started. I'll drop my referral link in the description so you can sign up and even get a free $5 welcome bonus. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to NextGen Hustle Secrets, and stay tuned for our next class where I'll show you another powerful way to make money online.